to the section 5 model trees 5.6 editing property for an object in the model tree. So if we go to our mind map, is this one is just talking initially here, but the detail property window will be mentioned in the section 8. So I will not go to that detail far. So just to show you is within our draft, there is a test model. Is you can edit this the element property. So within this model tree, click on any element. You can switch to the properties here. So property is a tab. And within this tab is a subtab is also called a property, but that is just one of the subtab. Mean type and analysis type is can also mean these properties. And that is when you click element in the model tree, this is the model elements based property. So like is you can assign or specialization, but specialization is only valid. We create a specialization, but it's only valid to our business actor. So if I check, I create a business actor, you can see here, you can choose that switching none to your specialization. So this is a convenient way. So you don't need to drag from here. That is one more way you can create a specialized element. So we introduced the 3 ways until now. So you can name is the main property, and you can put is a documentation. This documentation is also support the hyperlink. Like is if I put is that is the google.com. So it's automatically support hyperlink, and if you use the control and click that is will also is try to open this hyperlink for you. So that is one. And also this hyperlink is can be used when you later on is export the model to our HTML repo. Then this documentation is also usable. Let's try to just show you is quickly is now I have let me put that save first, then we will mention those HTML repo later on. So now I have a temp. Select that is the select, and I will have our test model. Just and select those export. So that is very quick. And once I export that is this is the HTML repo. So if I go to the business layer, I see the business actor. From here, you see this one is just a clickable hyperlink. So that is one convenient on the main part. Property is like our JSON, so the key value chain. So you can treat that as a dictionary as well. So when you have our existing property, you can use this drop-down list, then you can choose that. And those properties are also shown in this property manager. So I create that, and you can see I use that in 2 times. This empty property, I don't know is where is but I use that in 1 time. So it's this one, I think. So if I choose this one, then you can see it's also in the drop-down list is the ABC you can choose, and it's not able to create a drop-down list, but if you see here is the DEF. So if I create that a different value here, next time is these 2 values are in this enumerated list. So that is gradually is you may have something is for example is if I don't have P1 is the priority. If you normally it's put that here. So this one you have priority is the low. This one is I'm not low, I'm medium. although this not too much make sense is that, but I just try to show you is if you already have something, then you have the convenient. You can choose that. You can starting to have a low, medium, high. So you don't need to type in. So whenever there's a drop-down list, try to choose that because you may have a typo error. So when you type is a medium, like is you type that as the medium, not M, is N. So what's that happened is you create wrong items under this drop-down list. That is not easier to be the corrected because in the property value this manager you can rename this property name, but you cannot directly rename the property value. So if you have that is someday later is you have to use the way to try to find out like is if that is n. So we have the search feature. So that is we will mention that in the end of this section is you can also search by the property and the property value. So leave that there. Then is I hope is we can correct this n to m. To some properties can only be added in the view. So which means is if I go to the capability here, if I click on the model tree, I only have these three the tabs. But if I click on the view, is I have more tabs. So appearance, label, figure, image. These four are the view contacted these contextual the properties because you can change the appearance here to a different color, like is I want this shown as maybe a color coding, and come to here is I drag this again. So this one is I can change that to another color. So that is not impact each other. So those colors in our model file is recorded in the different view. So that is safe for you to modify certain view-based element. So label, we will mention that later. Is like is you can see is I want to see is my cap. So and second line is I use some the expression. So then this one is the label expression. So which one is have this label expression? So this one. So my cap. So you can see here. Then this I can have my name here. So that is the label. This property that is also not impact on your this other view on the color, but label is impact because that looks like is you cannot edit this on the element part, but it's coming from the view, but it's impact on all the element used on this view. So also take careful is to use this one. So figure, if I change that to here on this view, is not change this one. So figure is only in the individual view related. If I want to choose this some image from specialization or custom, so choose that is from image is the open from file. I open another file. So from here is let me search something. So maybe I search the something different is like this one. So you can see it's getting some image whatever, but on the second one doesn't impact. So figure appearance image is just as the single views the specific label is only can be set on the view level, but its impact on all the views is used this element, and the rest of these three is the on this element level. So with that is I hope you know how to edit the properties, and we will mention the property manager and the property window in more detail later on. See you then. Bye for now.